Hi everyone, it's the Biking Squirrel, and I'm once again up in the Highlands, and I thought I would perhaps try and do another vlog similar to what I did this time last year. What I don't have is I don't have my super wide lens, which is why it's going to be really hard to keep me in shot this time, even harder than it was before, but we'll see. If anyone's read little comments in some of my descriptions, then of course seen the videos from Cambridge, then you'll know that I now live in Cambridge, which, if you don't know, England is far south and very flat, which is not the ideal place to be an outdoorsy mountain biker, but it is what it is. I'm an electrical engineer by trade, so I had to go where the job was, and what I have discovered in the last 20 seconds is that the glide cam's quite heavy when I've got the GH5 on it, and I've got yeah, this is right then, just made some adjustments to the old setup so it feels a little bit lighter now. A little bit. The GH5 is a bit heavier, so even though I've got my lightweight lens on, it's still a little bit chunky compared to the old T5-200. Anyway, as I were where I was earlier, sorry. It's easy to forget just how early it gets dark down, well, I say down here, up here, it's a long way up here. Yeah, it's quad free and it already feels somewhat dark. But yeah, hoping the next few days I should be able to get the camera a bunch more. Maybe not doing too much of this because this is awkward as hell and my face is barely even in the shot, so yeah, but you know, see how the filming goes, hope it's not too windy, and yeah.